Five little ducks went out to play over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 and only four little ducks came back. Four little ducks went out to play over the pond and far away. Mother duck called quack, 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 and only three little ducks came back. Three little ducks went out to play, skipping and hopping all the way. Mother duck called quack, 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 and only two little ducks came back. Two little ducks went out to play, waddling in the mud today. Mother duck called quack, 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 and only one little duck came back. One little duck went out to play, flying high so far away. Mother duck called quack, 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 but no little ducks came back.